Hi, I'm Glenn Everett, Master of Machines. For this episode, it's drag racing time at the 2021 Gulf Western Oil Nitro Thunder at Sydney Dragway. No music, no commentary, just fast and loud drag racing action from street cars through to top fuel. Kindly brought to you by our good friends Gulf Western Oil, Australia's largest locally owned lubricants manufacturer. From their state-of-the-art production facility based in New South Wales, they produce some incredibly innovative products, using nothing but the finest virgin base oils and technologically advanced additive packages available, all blended to perfection using innovative formulations designed specifically to suit our harsh Australian conditions. They service all industries from your everyday car to motorsport, right through to heavy industrial applications such as transport, agriculture, mining, earth moving and more.
Look at that, Carl Cox goes 452 at 167 miles an hour to the top of the roll surface.
It's a 10-1 at 118 for the Charger.
Both races, but they sort of came next to each other.
It's 11-0 at 123 for the Chevelle.
today, mate.
First round top, your first time I see you. Says 2020. So the big questions I have.
Clearance.
319.98 mile per hour. Well, look who I found, one of my favourite teams here, DBS Motorsport. Let's go in and check this machine out. Jake Donnelly, great to see you here at the Gulf Western Oil Nitro Thunder event at Sydney, and you're here in Pro Alcohol this weekend. Tell us a bit about this car.
Yeah, mate, so it's a 2014 McKinney chassis. It's a 2017 Camaro body, 526 cube Hemi with a screw blower on it, Leander's pedal clutch, and hopefully be enough to be competitive this weekend.
So what sort of horsepower are you making?
Oh, anywhere probably between 3,500 4,000 horsepower, I suppose. Depends on the day and the tune-up.
That's pretty serious, mate. I believe you do use Gulf Western Oil in this machine.
Yeah, mate, from front to back we use Gulf Western Comp 50R in the engine and torque oil in the Elenco transmission and the Gulf Western gear oils in the differential.
And you have a blasting service, so Donnelly Blasting Services. You blow things up for a living, don't you, up in the quarries with rocks, and you use Gulf Western in all your machinery there too?
Yeah, mate, yeah, we use Gulf Western from front to back in our drill rigs and trucks and light vehicles, and everything we use on site is always Gulf Western. It's a good Australian-made product, so why not use it?
So you're a believer, and you wouldn't want to blow one of these engines up in a hurry, so you've got to make sure it's protected, don't you?
That's for sure. That's why we use the Comp 50R.
And I love your theme on the body, mate. It's an awesome thing. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so it's a bit of a Transformers theme. My previous funny car was Bumblebee, and I'm a bit of a sucker for Camaros, and yellow Camaros and Bumblebee go hand in hand, and that's sort of where that came about.
Well, great looking car, mate, and good luck out there for your first run.
Cheers, thanks, mate.
You're on the line, buddy.
9, 315 mile per hour. Well done, fellas. Good stuff.
Yep.
Peter, you'd have to be pretty happy with that, mate. What a run.
Awesome, mate. Awesome. Yeah.
All your hard work and all your testing and everything, it's paying off, isn't it?
100%. But we've got one more to go, mate. So
Yeah.
let's not get too excited. One more to go and then we'll celebrate.
Well, mate, give it heaps. Give it heaps.
Done deal. Thank
well
you.
done, mate. Carl Cox has taken the win.
451 to a 440 for Frank.
Be sure to check out my 4,000 horsepower Nitro funny car drive. People said I was insane, but it was an opportunity I had to take. A once-in-a-lifetime drive like nothing you've ever seen before. Be sure to check it out via the link.